Alright, what's up, everybody? Alright, I got a real quick tip for everybody, and it's pertaining to your teeth. Now, we know with this COVID situation, a lot of people have lost their jobs or gotten laid off, but what nobody really talks about is how you can lose your medical and dental benefits. Now, that's huge. That's a real big problem that's not getting talked about. So, here's a tip for people who may have lost their dental benefits and really want to make sure they keep taking care of their teeth, or you still have your job or whatever, you just want to some extra tips. All right, so I got two things that you can start doing today to help your teeth. The first is to use black seed oil. Did you know black seed oil can kill bacteria in your mouth that can lead to cavities? And it can also help soothe a toothache. So if you got a toothache, what you want to do is you want to put some of this on a Q-tip and just apply it to that area. Just put on that area for like 30 seconds or so, and it will start to feel better. And you can just do that throughout the day whenever it hits, okay? Another thing you can do is all you need is a spoonful. All right, so you take a spoonful of this stuff, and then what you would do, I'm not going to spill it, I'm not going to spill it, I'm not going to spill it. You put it in your mouth and you swish it around for about 30 seconds, like so. Swish it around, then swallow it. And I had a cup of water. I don't know what I did with it. It doesn't taste good. It really doesn't. But it really helps. All right. So that's what you can do with the black seed oil. It works wonders for your entire body, but also really helps your mouth and your teeth. So that's the first thing you can do. The next thing you can do is to use apple cider vinegar. Now, there's a lot of controversy with apple cider vinegar. I've seen stories where they talk about it can mess up your teeth enamel, but I've also seen where it can help with toothaches and with gum disease because this stuff can kill bad breath germs and also germs and bacteria that can lead to toothaches, gum disease, and all that stuff. So with this, what you want to do is you can take two capfuls, all right, and then you just put the capfuls in a cup with water. And this is a ceramic cup, okay? So you put that in a cup, and when you drink it down, you swish it around just like I just did with the black seed oil. And that's going to get all into your teeth, inside the crevices and all that. It's going to kill any bacteria that's in there. All right, and you swallow it. It's great for your overall body. That's number one. Number two, if you do have a toothache, you can still use the black seed oil. But what you're going to do is you're going to add a little bit more to the cup of water. I've seen where some instructions say a quarter cup, a little bit more. You're going to use your own judgment, okay? Use your own judgment. But what you're going to do is you're going to add this to the water and you're going to swish it around in your mouth for about 30 seconds or so. But you're not going to swallow it because you're putting a lot more in the cup and it could just upset your stomach. So you're going to swish it around in your mouth and you're just going to spit it out, okay? And you can do that a couple times for up to 3 minutes. So swish it around your mouth for about 30 seconds and then spit it out. Then do it again several times for up to 3 minutes. And you should start to feel better. Okay? So these are two things you can do because you're not going to hear about this type of thing. This stuff kills germs and bacteria. It's even good as a deodorant, believe it or not. But this kills bacteria in your mouth. Apple cider vinegar. Same thing with black seed oil. So if you don't have your health insurance or you're just looking for some tips to take care of your teeth, try these two things because they can definitely help keep the bacteria at bay. All right? Don't take my word for it. Please do your own research because there's a lot of fake news and all that stuff out there. But again, they don't tell you everything you need to know pertaining to your health because if you're not sick, they can't make money off of you. Think about it. So please do your own research. You don't have to take my word for it, but you just saw me use a black seed oil. So um, try it out. Let me know what you think. And also, if you like what you see, please subscribe to my channel. But As far as the apple cider vinegar, like I said, there's some talk out there that it could mess up your teeth enamel. So I want you to use your own judgment, do your own research, find out for yourself. But if you're not happy about or really sold on using apple cider vinegar, definitely try the black seed oil, and I think you will be very happy with the results. All right, so please try it out. Let me know what you think, because I do both, and I'm very happy with each. All right, take care, guys.